Alright, so let's face it, Earth is going through some major changes. It's like our planet is in a constant state of makeover, and honestly, it's messing with the environment we've always known. These shifts are bound to bring some unexpected twists in the years ahead. Looking ahead, the sun will eventually hit its expiration date, and when that happens, everything within its orbit, including Earth, is in for a ride. It's going to puff up, transform into a white dwarf, and then, well, say goodbye to our lovely planet. Now, as we zoom out to the universe, it's facing a slow chill, one star at a time burning out. We're talking about a future that's just a cosmic freezer, with no twinkling lights to brighten up the night sky. It's all about that dark, quiet vibe. And when the last stars take their final bow, we're left with a cosmic graveyard, filled with long-gone stars and drifting planets floating aimlessly in the vast emptiness. This decay marks the end of all that starlight and the vibrant activity we once knew in the cosmos. Think about it, the white dwarfs that are still hanging around will eventually fade away too, turning into black dwarfs. These guys are like the final remnants of a star's life cycle, super dense but devoid of any light, just hanging out in the dark. As the universe keeps stretching out, matter gets pulled apart, which could lead to a time when intelligent life might make a comeback, but definitely in ways we can't even imagine yet. It's like a hint at occasional bursts of awareness in a universe that's falling apart. Now, let's get a bit scientific. Proton decay could lead to everything we know turning into a pile of dust, or at least, that's the theory. It's a bit spooky since we haven't proven it yet, leaving plenty of room for more scientific exploration. As those black dwarfs start to disappear and black holes begin to tango, the universe will turn into a bizarre place filled with zombie galaxies, slowly transforming over trillions of years. You can picture massive black holes just gobbling each other up like a cosmic buffet. And speaking of black holes, the gravitational waves they create while merging send out ripples throughout the universe, like a cool song of spacetime. These waves are like the universe's way of saying, hey, there's still stuff happening here, even if it seems quiet. When black holes clash, they produce sound waves just like when lighter balls collide with heavier ones, causing vibrations in the fabric of space. This really shows how our universe isn't just about visuals, it's got a whole soundtrack too. Ever heard of Hawking radiation? Well, it's this cool concept that explains how black holes lose mass by letting tiny virtual particles slip away. This discovery shakes up our understanding of black holes and opens the door to some wild ideas in quantum physics. Now, the universe is expanding faster than ever, thanks to this mysterious thing called dark energy. Combine that with black hole evaporation, and you've got a recipe for some serious cosmic evolution ahead. If dark energy keeps calling the shots, the universe will just keep stretching on and on forever, leading to a cold and lonely future. It really makes you think about just how important it is to understand what dark energy is all about. There are some wild theories floating around, like the Big Crunch or Big Rip, showing some crazy ways the universe could end depending on what dark energy decides to do. These scenarios really stress the need for us to dive deeper into studying dark energy. And get this, there's speculation that intelligent life might just be clever enough to create their own baby universes, giving them a shot at surviving beyond our universe's limits. It's a mind-bending idea that opens up a world of possibilities in the realm of life and the multiverse. As those black holes keep evaporating, the universe will eventually turn into a smooth sea of photons, chilling out closer to absolute zero. This is basically the calm before the cosmic storm, signaling that everything is slowly fading away. Once the last stars have gone, the universe will hit thermal equilibrium. This is where all the changes come to a halt, marking the end of anything cosmic. It's like everything just stands still for eternity. Finally, entropy will hit a plateau, stopping any further increase in disorder. We'll be left with a universe that's frozen in time, where absolutely nothing happens, well, forever.